Hello guys, my name is Jude. I'll be your instructor in this course if only you ever. I'll teach you how you can start creating website for people and start earning a minimum of 150,000 in a month. How does this happen? I know this very sounds strange to you and very interesting. I'll teach you how you can start creating website like e-commerce website, Bitcoin investment platform, online banking, courier website and other. If you are a person that need all those things and you pay people to create this is very good for you. You can just run this course and start creating things for yourself. And also this course is for people who are really serious. You can just join me in this course so that I'll teach you everything to know. I'll teach you how you can start advertising it on TikTok, Facebook and other platforms. And also I will teach you how you can get all your material ready and how you can start earning money from it. With only one client you can have a month, you will make a minimum of 150,000. Just follow this step. A lot of people have been working on this, have been benefiting from this. How does this happen? They don't have any coding experience or programming experience, but they make money from this with this easy step. I will teach you how you can purchase your domain, your hosting, get your script done and work everything you want to do. Join me in this course and see the benefit of this course, and within 1 month you will testify. Thank you.